Welcome back to our channel, Excelians, and to the third installment of our Verb Tenses collection. Before I tell you what we're going to be looking at today, hit those like and subscribe buttons below if you haven't yet, and keep following me. You know you want to. Today, we'll be looking at three past tenses: past simple, past progressive or continuous, and past emphatic. Now, in the past simple tense, it is the easiest, and you probably already know it pretty well. To make this tense, you simply use the past tense form of the verb. For example, Martin cleaned the floors with a new mop. Most past tense verbs in English are formed by adding ed to the end of the infinitive form of the verb. So, clean becomes cleaned, jog becomes jogged, and laugh becomes laughed. However, English has a number of irregular verbs, of course, and their past tense forms simply have to be memorized because they differ radically. Let's see a few. Martin bought a new mop and broom at the store. Bought and not buyed is the simple past tense form of buy, so be careful with those irregular verbs. It can get tricky. Here are a few more for you to memorize. Grow becomes grew, run becomes ran, and seek becomes sought. Now, let's move to the past progressive. You should be used to the progressive tenses by now, but here's what we do. Combine the helping verbs was or were with an ing form of the verb, as in the following examples. Sarah was decorating the Christmas tree when she heard a knock at the door. Or, Sarah and her family were sitting around the table, ready to enjoy their Christmas dinner. Pretty easy, right? This tense is also known as the imperfect tense because it describes an action that is incomplete. We will learn more about the concepts of completeness and perfection in our videos about the perfect system, so be sure to check back for that. Now, as for the past emphatic tense, you probably remember that it is used to emphasize something that, in this case, did indeed happen in the past. To create it, we use the verb did with the main verb. We usually use this tense when you've been accused of something. For example, say mom comes home and sees muddy dog prints all over the floor that you were supposed to clean. You might say in response to mom's angry glare, "I did clean the floor. I swear, Mom, I did." Remember that this tense can also use forms of to do next to each other, as in the following example. "I did do my homework, Mom. I don't know where it went, but I swear I did it." Is Mom supposed to believe that? Well, we'll never know. We also sometimes use this tense when we're expressing surprise. John never gets his math homework right, but he actually did do a nice job this time. And now you are well versed in the past tense forms of the present system. Stay tuned next time for the perfect system. Goodbye for now.